In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get the CapCut Pro free trial. CapCut is a popular video editing tool that offers advanced features in its Pro version. By getting a free trial, you'll be able to explore all those premium features before deciding if it's the right fit for you. Let's dive into the step-by-step process to access your free trial. First, you'll need to open the CapCut desktop app. If you haven't downloaded it yet, make sure to do so before following along. Once the app is open, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. On the top left corner, you'll notice a button labeled Join Pro. Go ahead and click on that button. This will guide you to the page where you can initiate your trial of CapCut Pro. Once you've clicked Join Pro, you'll be prompted to create an account. If you already have an account, you can log in. However, if you're new to CapCut, you'll want to set up your account by providing some basic information. It's a straightforward process that ensures all your projects and settings are saved within your personalized account. During account creation, you'll be asked to enter your birthday. While this might seem like a routine step, it's crucial for compliance purposes. CapCut requires users to meet a minimum age requirement to use their services, so make sure you enter your accurate date of birth. Once your account is created, you'll see an option to try CapCut Pro for free for a specific number of days. Click on Try Pro. It's a great way to test drive the full functionality of CapCut Pro without any immediate financial commitment. You'll have full access to advanced features, effects, and tools that are exclusive to Pro users. Next, you'll be asked to choose a payment method. This might seem a bit concerning since we're talking about a free trial. However, selecting a payment method is a standard procedure, and it won't result in any charges during the trial period. It ensures you won't experience any interruptions in service should you decide to continue with a paid subscription after the trial ends. So go ahead and input your payment details. Finally, after linking your payment method, you can start your free trial. You should now have access to all the bonus features of CapCut Pro. Make sure to explore them thoroughly and get a feel for everything CapCut Pro has to offer. Keep in mind the trial's duration so you can decide whether to continue with a paid subscription once it concludes. And there you have it. You're all set to explore CapCut Pro for free. Enjoy the creative possibilities and happy editing. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.